My clients got engaged when I handed them the keys. This is my week in real estate. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe, Tendwell Property, top 1% agent in all of San Diego County. Let's start off with my weekend. What happened this weekend? Well, it was pretty chill. I went to some high school basketball games. I saw my nephew play for the last time in his high school career because they lost the soccer game, which really sucked. But I got to chill with my family and have a great time. I also met up with one of my mentors this past weekend, and it was really cool just because I got some knowledge, some gain from him. And then the week started off crazy because we went to a client closing just like we always do. Someone just bought a house. It was a young couple. We handed them the keys, and that was it. Then family started showing up, which is normal. So a lot of families started showing up, which was kind of like, okay, there's a lot of family here today. Anyways, I left. Some of my team stayed. Sure enough, the husband or the boyfriend popped a big question, and they got engaged in front of everyone, which was really cool. And then the week happened. A lot of coffee meetings, a lot of lunch meetings with clients. On Wednesday, I wanted to go to the best high school game in many years. But guess what? 1,400 seats all sold out. So I came back home and I live streamed it from my living room for $12, which is crazy because it's just a high school basketball game. But it was a good one. I had a seller's workshop, tips on what to do if you want to sell your home for top dollar. That was awesome. A lot of people jumped on and learned. And I ran in the rain. Yes, I ran in the rain earlier this week because I wanted to work out. It was raining, still worked out anyways. It was awesome. My body feels good. I did some tedious tax prep for April 15th yesterday. So I was on the Zoom for a long time with my accounting department, and we got that done. My weekend plans are the following. Today's Friday. We're going to have the book club that we have every 2 weeks, and we're going to be discussing the book that we've been reading. And right after that, I'm going to go down to Valle de Guadalupe and Ensenada, and I'm going to chill for the weekend and just hang out, have some good wine, sip, some views, and amazing food. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. We'll see each other. Peace.